My interest in art, photography, and fashion design influenced my approach to architecture. It is about how all of these seemingly separate entities of design interrelate. Architecture is a compilation of all of these things. I am Aryn Phillips, and this is my 4th year of architecture school at Mississippi State University. I was initially interested in photography, fashion design, and art, and realized that architecture could include all of these aspects of design. Here at school, I've been able to explore all areas of interest, whether it's in photography or fashion design, working with the fashion board and organizing our annual fashion show that takes place in the architecture building. I don't know how many architecture students have the experience of designing an outfit. For me, 1 year out of paper and the next year out of wine courts. Also working with interior design, graphic design, and building construction science on 2 studio projects. These experiences have allowed me to see how all of these seemingly separate entities of design interrelate. Like Gensler, I believe in the importance of collaboration between disciplines, and winning this competition will allow me to grow as a student and see the creation of architecture at a much larger scale. I believe that architecture is about everything working together: people, materials, structure, and concept to create the overall atmosphere and experience of a space. I began by researching and sketching, focusing heavily on the concept of the building, which then reveals the form it will take through model making. I focused on how people will experience a space through materiality and building form. I began to think about how this space will provide a solution site scale and beyond to its surrounding context, as well as how it will act beyond its initial program to the community. With the project I submitted for the competition, the Starkville Symbiotic District, I focused on how creating a brewery that would reflect how people would see, experience, and move with the process of beer making. As you travel through the site, circulation spaces frame the adjacencies formed by the industrial production processes, the bakery and brewery, and the adjacent public programs, the restaurant and ice cream shop. The building acts as a diagram, breaking the brewing process into 2 main parts, hot and cold, allowing inhabitants to move from a warm space made out of a wood material to a cool space, concrete, tracking where you are in the overall process of the brewery. This building illustrates how symbiotic districts can act as a stimulus for a surrounding context by the exchange of goods and byproducts between local businesses.